So often when you come into the lab, you are going to see the stage set up something like this. And one of the first things you're going to have to do is an alignment, in which you're going to have to change out the stage components for an alignment component. So I want to show you how to do that. There are actually two parts to the stage that you need to remove. The very top piece here, and then also this spacer at this second height. The top piece can very easily come out. You twist and then you lift. It should come straight out. It has these small little screws or circles that line up with the spacer to make it all fit together. I'll show you that in more detail in a minute. So one of the most common mistakes people make when they try to do an alignment is they forget to take the spacer off. And so if I put this piece, this is what we need for alignment. If I line these circles up with that spacer, it's a little bit difficult for you to see in this video, but this piece here is clearly not aligned with the beam path. It is certainly tilted. And that should be your first clue that something is not right. So I'm going to take this piece out. And to take this spacer out, I have to push this button in the back right-hand corner. Then twist and lift, just like before. So anything that's attached to this base, you will need to use this button in the back to release it. So this is our spacer, and I told you before I'd kind of show you how these two things fit together. You can see these circles are going to fit in these slightly larger circular openings. And so you just kind of line them up, twist, and then it's solid, it's in place. So now that I have both that top piece and the spacer off, I can come back to this piece, line it up, and now when I put it in place, this is lined up with the beam path. It looks like it should. The other component you will need to do alignments is this piece. It's called the center slit, and this part right here fits just above two little clips in this holder. And it fits in, it's nice and solid, nice and snug. So when you're ready to do alignments, you'll need that center slit piece, and this is what it should look like.